Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I set up my fingerprint to the scanner here on the power key a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I suggest you just to simple touch the sensor. Just don't to press it because sometimes it's okay. And also we can see that the scanner works here so fast, and with a simple touch, and just if you a little bit stronger touch it, but that's not a problem. So I just think that this is really good result for the fingerprint. Just unlock method, I suggest you to try this unlock method, but be sure always that no one just can't use your fingerprint also, because the fingerprint is less secure than the passcodes and pin code, so be careful with it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.